you this puzzle from AliExpress. This is my first bundle puzzle. There should be 3 items in there. Okay, the next puzzle, this is a very small one. So this is a lens cap for my Canon Powershot V10. Okay, let's have a closer look to the lens cap. First of all, I want to let you know why I want this cap. As you can see from the camera, the lens here is really flat without a ring protecting the lens. So when I put it in my pocket, I keep on touching the lens and leave my fingerprint there, unless I always grab from this side, and I'm okay with that. And also the other problem is if I want to put it in a bag or something like that where other objects are inside, so I always need this pouch, so I put it there and to protect this. The problem is I can't just quickly grab my camera to take a shot. So let's see whether this can solve my problem. Just let you have a look on the box here. This is the back side, and it's sealed. Very nice quality box. So is there anything else here? So there's a small plastic just for you to remove when you don't want it, and there's a very small instruction. And here is the lens cap. So I can open it like this. Looks very nice. So I just want to give you a closer look to compare the size without and with the lens cap. It will be larger, and the thickness here. So that will be the size. And this is the original size. Okay, now let me remove this sticker. So open it. Okay. Close it. Voila. Not too bad. So if I lose it, or for any reason I don't like it, I can use this here to remove it from here. And I also got a spare sticker to put it back. The mechanic is quite nice. You can hear from the sound here. I can see a small problem here, that now it's harder to reach to the record button here. So if you have larger finger than me, so and I can rest the camera on the finger here. I don't know whether this is advantage or disadvantage, but I will find out on my next trip. Then I will update you with my experience in the comment. I hope you find this video useful. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.